Kazakhstan is a constitutional republic with a strong presidency and the largest economy in Central Asia. As a modern country, Kazakhstan has set its environmental priorities and makes continuous progress in reducing its environmental impacts. Kazakhstan is committed to the safe management of persistent organic pollutants, including polychlorinated biphenyls, as demonstrated by the signature of the Stockholm Convention and its subsequent ratification on the 9th of November 2007. For planning appropriate action in the field of controlling persistent organic pollutants, as well as fulfilling the reporting requirements of the Convention, the government of Kazakhstan developed an action plan for PCB management as part of its draft National Implementation Plan on POPs. PCB Action Plan evolved into a project called Design and Execution of Comprehensive PCB Management Plan for Kazakhstan, which is a joint undertaking by the government of Kazakhstan, private sector partners, and the United Nations Development Program. Polyeco was awarded the project called Final Disposal of PCB Oils from the Republic of Kazakhstan through an international tendering procedure. The project involved the management of PCB oils and PCB contaminated soils at 4 industries around the country and included drainage of PCB oils from transformers, packaging of drained PCB oils and contaminated soils in UN-approved containers suitable for their transportation, issuance of transboundary licenses for the export of the waste to Europe, final disposal at a high-temperature incinerator. After almost 2 years of thorough investigation of the regulatory regimes of Kazakhstan's neighboring countries, and after long discussions with the competent authorities of these countries, it became evident that the transit of the waste through their territories is prohibited. The pioneer element of this project was the air transportation of the waste directly to Europe to overcome the imposed transit ban. A Boeing 747 cargo aircraft was chartered for this reason, and waste was exported to France for final disposal at Tredi Saint-Vulbas incineration facility. Stowage, packaging, and labeling of the PCB waste followed the specific provisions of IATA regulations, as well as the operational requirements of the cargo handlers of the airports in Kazakhstan and France. This unique operation involved the contribution from several parties, including the air carrier, customs authorities, IATA hazmat experts, local authorities, the Ministries of Environment, and the United Nations Development Program. The project was the first successful export of hazardous waste from Kazakhstan and serves as a model project which will assist the country in its goal to gradually eliminate hazardous waste from its territory. Polyeco is committed to a strong environmental management program. Our guiding principle is to exceed expectations by providing top-tier services and successful cost-effective solutions. We anticipate and keep pace with our clients' evolving needs by continually enhancing our global geographic presence and broad spectrum of complementary technical and strategic skills.